We are still working on factorization of quadratic expressions. This is lesson 61 in our lesson book. And this example is x squared plus 5x plus 6. We want to factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6. And here, look at this. This is a trinomial, as it has three terms. The first term x squared, the second term 5x, and the third term 6. So here we change it to a four-term expression. We change it to a four-term expression. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the only thing we have changed is the middle term. We split this middle term using the factors of this constant term. We split this middle term using the factors of this constant term. Here, this 6, if you look at 6 here, 6 is equal to 2 times 3. And the same 2 plus 3, you see now also that 2, this 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So that means the two numbers that we are using will multiply to get 6. And when we add them, we have 5. The coefficient of the middle term. When we multiply, we have 6. When we add, we have 5. So that is why we use those two numbers to split this middle term. So instead of having 5, we have 2x plus 3x. Then this constant term is still here, and this x squared term is still here. Then we have 4 terms here. Then we now group them into 2 and factorize. The first 2 terms, x squared plus 2x. When you factorize, there is a common factor. X is here, x is here. One x can be taken out and one x here. And that is this common factor outside here. Then the remaining x here and these 2, we group into a bracket here. We have x into x plus 2. Then the second pair of terms, the last 2 terms here, we also look for the common factor. 3 is here and 3 can divide 6. So 3 is a common factor. That is why we bring out this 3 here and group the remaining into x, into a factor. This is the x plus 2. That is to say, if you divide this 3x by 3, you have x, and if you divide 6 by the same 3, you have 2. That is why the common factor is 3, and then the remaining factors we group into a binomial term here. If you look at this binomial term in this term, the binomial factor here in this term is x plus 2, and here also in this other term, it is the same x plus 2. So we now bring them out. We bring this binomial factor out. That is, we bring it as a common factor also, and then we group these remaining 2 factors here, x and 3. When you bring this out and this, you have x plus 2 in the bracket, and this x plus this 3, you group into another bracket. So the factors of our x squared plus 5x minus 6 is the same thing as open bracket x plus 2 close bracket and open bracket x plus 3 close brackets.